Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your Squarespace with MailerLite. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you have not already by going to squarespace.com, and from here this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can use for managing and editing our website. And now what we can do is going to take a look at the settings tab. In the settings tab usually you can just go into third-party tools and extensions, and here search for any extensions that are going to enable you to integrate your Squarespace with different platforms. But currently MailerLite is not offered, so what you want to do is follow the instructions right here instead. As you can see in the official MailerLite website, there is a video section on integrating MailerLite with Squarespace, and what you're going to do is follow the steps right here. In MailerLite you're going to go into integrations and select Squarespace, and then choose the subscriber groups in MailerLite for Squarespace forms. You're going to copy the provided JavaScript code. This is very important because this is what you're pasting into your website. So in Squarespace you're going to navigate your website, open up the utilities, website tools, and code injections. So here you're going to go ahead and be able to find everything you need once you have your upgraded plan, and from there you're going to paste the JavaScript code into the header section and save. Just like that, that's how you can go ahead and integrate your MailerLite directly with Squarespace. There are no other options. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.